Hi guys, Thursday the 23rd of June, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Kingswood today, and as you can see I got a bit carried away. The intention will be to video some of these items and then put them back in the boxes and donate them to another charity shop relatively quickly, because I just don't want this stuff hanging around in the house taking up space. Start with the easy stuff first. These two, I've got quite a few of these. I've put them together before. I think I may even have done that one, classic Grand Tourer. I may even have done that one. But they were reduced to 49p each, so that sort of thing sort of twists my arm and forces me to buy them. Another helicopter going over outside. So yeah, 49p each. I couldn't resist that. Next, right, Greg Zumwalt's been doing quite a few marble vators, 3D printed on his channel. I did marble runs quite a few years ago, 2017 I think, something like that. Just kiddies' toys that I picked up in charity shops. Recently I've had comments on those old videos again, so when I saw these in the charity shop, I put two and two together. I thought, well, if somebody was interested in them anyway, and Greg has been doing 3D printed ones, so I'll buy some. £1.99. I've no idea if the kit is complete, but this is a mechanical one. You turn the handle to maneuver the marbles up the ramp, up the tube and then down the ramp. So I'll do a video putting that one together. Techno Gears Marble Mania Crankster de Levier. 80 pieces in theory. Over 33.5 centimetres tall, about a foot tall, so it's going to be about the height of the box, I would say, if all the bits are there. We'll find out, won't we? So that's that one. And then after I bought that, next charity shop, I'd got this one, which would appear to be an electrical one, doing the same basic sort of thing. Got the marbles going up on this chain and dropped off up there, and then find their way back down again. And that one was more expensive. That was £2.99. In fact, I did look at this one in that charity shop probably a week or two ago and decided not to buy it. But today I was thinking marble vator, so I bought it. So same thing again, I'll put it together, see if all the bits are there, do a video of it, and then that will be going back to another charity shop. And then finally this one, I'm pretty sure I've had one of these before, or a very similar one, because you've got a little hand crank generator there to power it with, or solar powered. And I'm pretty sure I've had one like that before, a long time ago, but I'm pretty sure I've done one. So we'll see if that's got all the bits in it. Probably not. That was only 99p, so that's another reason it caught my eye. So there you go, a powered by solar or kinetic energy Envirobot robot for 99p. An electric marble transporter for £2.99. A mechanical marble transporter for £1.99. And a couple of wind-up kits, cars. There we go. Just move the camera back a little bit for the thumbnail. Yeah, that should do. Right, there you go.
What was that? Come on, eat your dinner.
All right, yeah.
Here I am, a family-friendly hotel with bigger fun for all ages. Must enjoy fabulous on-site water parks and personal space in the form of separate but adjoining rooms.
No, that's it. That's the problem, isn't
I mean, where else can you find a one-of-a-kind personality with an enormous lobby aquarium?
This is beginning to look very nice for an old deserted church. Yeah, will be a very desirable property, I should think.
Hello. You've got
Alright.
loads of stuff, haven't you? You're not making any money.
I don't worry about it. Yeah, I got 107, I think.
Oh, that's not too bad.
We got
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.